welcome back to another episode of Moonrock's Chop Shop. We're back with Project Slide, and Sean's gonna teach me how to drift it today. So stay tuned. Hopefully we don't crash it. And we about to get rolling. All right, y'all. So we found a nice little drift location here. Sean's gonna give me some rundowns. Now remember, he's gonna be teaching me how to drift because I've never drifted before. Sean's been training to drift since he was like a 6-month-old or something. but you know, he's gonna give me all the pointers. So let's see. So Sean, give me the first 3 basics of what you need to know before you start to drift the car.
So the basic setup is you got to get some more traction up front so that way you can control where your car goes, and you want the tires to break loose. We already got a welded diff, so the tires are ready to rip as it is. We put the rear tires to 35 and the front tires to 22, so that should give us plenty of grip up front. Second thing is you just got to break the traction on the rear. Once you break traction, the car starts to slide. Now the point is you want to catch the car in the slide. So right when you let the car break traction, you let go of the wheel. Right when you're ready to hold the angle, grab the wheel. That's called counter steering. When you want to counter steer, you can add angle, decrease angle, whatnot, as you're going along it. But the most basic thing is you want to break traction and hold the slide. You can do a donut to get started and then get an idea of how the car will react when you give it a little bit of gas. Once you get the donut going and then you want to counter steer into it, you can hold a counter steer donut. Once you're able to do that, that's the basics of drifting. After that, it's a simple linking and transitioning. That's it.
What? I don't know what he said, but I'm ready to get behind the wheel.
That's it. You just gotta feel it, you know what I mean?
All right, so we about to get in the car now. You feel me? Let me make sure we're recording here. All right, so unfortunately we don't have a door handle here, so we gotta open it like this. Also, the seat is not bolted in, so I'm gonna be hanging on for my life. Woo!
Fans are on.
Cooling fans on?
Yes, sir.
All right, guys. So I'm gonna try to catch this the best as I can. My seat is not bolted in, so we're gonna do the best that we can. So, all right, Sean, show me.
How you feel?
Yo, that was so fire, man. That was so damn. Yo, guys, yo, chat. I did not know Sean knows how to drift like this. That was wild. Alright guys, so Sean showed me a little tutorial. Now he's gonna kind of give me some tips and tricks. So let's see what Sean has to say here.
Don't worry about counter steering first.
Yeah.
turn the wheel all the way, hold the gas, and just hold the wheel like that and do a donut inward.
Okay, got you.
Okay?
All right. So
Turn the wheel all the way.
let's turn the wheel all the way.
All right. Gas and drop the clutch. There you go.
Yo! God, God. Yo!
That was
awesome.
crazy. Now what I want you to do is do the same thing. Hold the donut with the wheel cocked inward. I'm gonna get out of the car.
Okay.
All right. It was crazy, bro.
Woo! Bro, this thing got no handbrake. It's so blood clot hot out here. No AC, drifting in the heat. Sean just taught me how to drift this beast. Way easier and way more fun than I ever thought. I did more drifts than what you guys saw, but for today, I think we can successfully say that Sean taught me how to do donuts and kind of drifting around the corner, locking the wheel. So I'm super excited about that. Can't wait till the next time we drift. Can't wait till I get my skill up and actually get on a track. But thank you, Sean. Thank you to everybody that watched this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Stay tuned for the journey, and I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.